Hi, here this Nitex Piedmont fan. After being balanced, I'm go ahead and turn on low. And the pitch on medium and high. It did wobble because one of the blade arm had lower pitch, but now I bend it back. It doesn't spin as fast as it used to, but still blows a good amount of air. It wobbles a lot less. The blades are still out of clock. I put some weight on one of the blades, and I got rid of most of the wobble. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please have to comment, rate, and subscribe.